Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're at the site of the old Littlewoods building, the tower demolition. We're going to take the drone up, have a look at how far they've got with demolishing the condemned tower. It's got to be rebuilt, and then this Littlewoods building can carry on being turned into some kind of TV studios. Hollywood of the North. A bit too soon to call it that, I think, but that was what it was dubbed. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. Let's get the drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. Climb a little bit higher. There's quite a big chunk of this tower gone already just after one day chopping away on it. Well, it could have been two, I'm not sure if they were doing it today because of the wind, but it has died down a fair bit now. Loads of pigeons hanging around here. They're seeing their home probably ripped down. Just going to have a bit of a closer look. You can see how decayed all that wood is in there. Definitely. That looks like it was seen better days. There's going to be a lot to do on this place to put it back to how it was. Let us circle around. It's around 90 or around 86 years old on Edge Lane, this building, so it's been around for years. God, it's going to be a hell of a lot of work to restore this place. But I'm glad there's going to be a lot of use put to it because it's an iconic building. As we circle the iconic tower. But if it's worth spending the money on, then definitely worth restoring it. I reckon another couple of days this tower will be gone, you know. So I'm going to have a close look at that machine they've been using. By 61 metres at the moment. Similar to the one that DSM used, but this looks like it's an older version. Not really clued up on that kind of tech, but it's definitely one of those machines that just gnaws away at the building piece by piece. I mean, this building was built in 1938 and then it was closed in 1994. So yeah, it's been around for a while. I'm just glad there's going to be use of it. Have a quick look at the end of it. It's going to be, God knows how much money is going to be spent on this place, but if they think it's worth it, definitely go for it. Just fly along to the other side, have a quick look, a quick gander. I wonder what machine that was. It's a little digger of some sort. I'm hoping it'll be a massive success. Everything turns out well. They think we build a tower, it carries on being turned into these TV studios, and it keeps the history of this building going in some sort of fashion. Drop down a bit there. Wind warnings. I mean, I had information that this place was like condemned, got to be like a couple of months ago at least, from, I'm not going to name names, a guy I was talking to who's working in the TJ Hughes building in London Road actually said this building is actually condemned, and it's only recently come out. The Echo got hold of it. But even the whole roof all the way along, I don't know what they're going to be doing with that, but obviously they're going to be doing something, because you've got all the scaffolding going all the way along the walls there, and that is a hell of a lot of scaffolding each side. So they are taking this building seriously and trying to give it a new lease of life. Yeah, it's going to cost millions, surely, isn't it, to restore? Got to, surely. Obviously they're sorting out the walls each side first and making sure it's all up to scratch, and then I guess they'll sort the roof out later. But it's looking like they're getting rid of that tower pretty quickly, but are they going to start building it pretty quickly? I'm not certain, I'm not sure. If anyone else has got any information, by all means please let me know about it. I have watched Paul Frost cover this this building project from early on, and Mr. Drone also. I've only come because I love anything that's getting demolished, and I just wanted to come and have a look. But I did take a keen interest in Littlewoods a long time ago, so it's good to come out here, have a look firsthand. And I'll be back again on Sunday, and it might be down by Sunday, but we'll have a look. We'll get the drone up, have a flight. Hopefully you'll all catch me for that flight. For part 2 of the demolition of the Littlewoods, and get my teeth back in. The Littlewoods Tower is coming down and it's getting rebuilt. We're back off. We'll come back Sunday, see how far along we are of the condemned tower and a continuation of the demolishing of it. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Catch you all soon all. Bye for now.